finally here and I can finally talk about it. We got the Ninja FlexFlame Grill. Guys, you ain't gonna want to miss this one. Ninja sent me this bad boy and I can't wait to tell you about it. Listen, we're gonna go through everything and anything I can think of, but if you have any questions, put them down below in the comment section. And if you're interested in checking one of these bad boys out, I'll put my link down below and you can check it out. And look at that, the sun came out. It's a beautiful day out. It was a little dull and dreary when I started this video. Now we're doing all right. Guys, unlike most social media influencers out there, I actually cooked on this bad boy before I did the review, so I can give you a better review, right? So everything you're seeing here, I've cooked. It is not something I've taken from Ninja or, you know, any of that stuff, none of their overlays. This is everything I've cooked on this so far. We had a big old party for the big game. I cooked everything on this bad boy, grilled a bunch of protein on here. I smoked some ribs and pulled pork on this bad boy. Did pizzas, everything. All right, so we put it through its paces. And I gotta tell you, listen, it's not like a traditional smoker, but it does what it says it does, and it works out great. So when you see the smoke rolling on this thing, you're gonna see smoke come out the sides. It's not a traditional smoker out there, you know, that's insulated to a certain amount, or, you know, you won't see any smoke coming out of the gaps, any of that stuff. This Ninja FlexFlame Grill is an all-around cooker. So that good wood fire flavor, that good wood fire smoke you're giving to all your dishes you're cooking on this bad boy, it is used for flavor, not fuel, right? The fuel is that propane we're putting in there. But the pellets we're putting in that wood fire box, that adds the flavor, okay? So I just want you guys to know the difference between the two, but they work hand in hand to provide some of the greatest dishes you'll ever produce on a grill. This is unlike any other grill I have in the backyard here. I'm digging it. I love it. Guys, I have a whole wall full of grills, and this by far is my new favorite grill. All right, just stick with me on this one. You're gonna love it. With the Cyclonic IQ technology that's a part of the Ninja FlexFlame, it has the power of a jet engine and sounds like one too. When it's fired up, you definitely know your grill is fired up. But that Cyclonic IQ technology provides that good air circulation in the FlexFlame grill that you want for your good even cooks. So it's worth a little bit of that noise. And it sounds pretty cool. Y'all love that high heat sear, those cool grill marks you get on your meat? Let's go over that master gas grill. Why settle when you can have it all under one hood? This is the Ninja FlexFlame 5-in-1, and it has 5 unique ways to cook all in one grill. You can high heat grill, low and slow smoke, use that roast function for amazing chicken, have a professional grade griddle attachment, and heck, you can even make a pizza in there. The Ninja FlexFlame is faster, more flavorful grilling, smoking, roasting, griddling, and pizza making. This really does have it all. The Master Gas Grill produces faster cooking and preheat with the surround sear. It gives you faster, more flavorful grilling, and you're able to feed an army in no time. Preheating this bad boy to 600 degrees in 7 minutes means you're not waiting around to get cooking. You want that real low and slow barbecue flavor? Well, the Ninja FlexFlame can do that too. The Woodfire barbecue smoker makes it faster and easier with authentic flavors and bark. Just load up 2 cups of those Ninja pellets in that Woodfire hopper, press that Woodfire flavor button, and smoke is ready to roll. And with the Ninja FlexFlame, you can go from low and slow to high heat searing. And no matter what setting you're on, you could add a hit of smoking flavor by using that Woodfire flavor button. When you're adding those 100% real wood Ninja pellets to that hopper, you know that they're used for flavor, not fuel. Boy, do they pack a lot of flavor. Let's talk about that Cyclonic Heat IQ real quick. The secret to great outdoor cooking without compromise is precision flames, cyclonic air, and that Woodfire smoke. Now let's talk about that professional grade grill inserts that you can purchase for your Ninja FlexFlame grill. This has to be one of my favorite features on the Ninja FlexFlame. This griddle is more even and rust resistant, with full surface searing and sizzling for that full force flavor. These griddles are high quality steel construction that cook up to 12 smash burgers, 16 eggs, and 12 pancakes, and then some. Are you craving one of those juicy chickens with that crispy skin? Well, let's check out that roast bake function. That quick crisp roaster gives you all around crisping with juicy interior and so much faster. You get extra juicy on the inside and extra crispy on the outside. Just check out the chicken I did on this grill. And say you got a craving for some artisanal pizza, Well, the Ninja FlexFlame has got you covered there too. With that artesian style pizza maker, you can make family size pizza in as little as 5 minutes with no turning required. Basically just a set it, forget it, with up to 600 degrees temperature control, so you have foolproof pizza making. I mean, just check out that pie I did all by myself. So it's not round. What it lacks in symmetry, it makes up in taste, especially when you got that Woodfire flavor behind it. The Ninja FlexFlame has a bunch of accessories that do come at an extra cost, but I do believe they're well worth it. Let's go through them real quick. We got the pizza stone for making that artesian pizzas, the full griddle and the half griddle inserts. Now, I've used the half griddle. I have the full griddle, but I haven't fired it up just yet. But that half griddle did amazing on my fried rice and pork belly. You can get grease tray liners. Now, guys, I suggest you get these because there's nothing worse than cleaning out a grease trap over and over again. It's nice to grab it and just toss it. There's a folding rack, which I've used in a couple of my cooks. I think is highly beneficial. I like to raise some of the protein off those grill grates. Now, this is something I believe you should grab right away, is a grill cover. I cover all my grills in the backyard because I leave them out, obviously 24/7, 365. And then you get that 16-inch perforated pizza peel. It works perfect with that pizza stone. So if you want those artesian pizzas, make sure you grab both of those. Well, y'all, we've covered the Ninja FlexFlame grill from smoking to pizza to grilling to roasting the whole way through. Guys, I have to tell you, this has got to be one of my new favorite grills. I love everything about it. If you guys want to get yourself one of these Ninja FlexFlame grills, link will be down below in the video description. Make sure you click on it. Yes, it's an affiliate link, but you know what? It doesn't cost you any more to use it, and it helps out your boy. Make sure you're subscribed and be on the lookout for a lot more cooks on the Ninja FlexFlame grill. But that's it, y'all. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.